Okay, I'm just going to do a little explanation of the lambda method syntax. So currently you can see this is quite a long piece of code. It's quite nicely laid out, but we can write this another way. So we could say the amount of times I type car instead of var. Var fruit method query equals, so here we start with the actual fruit array, and we do so what we're trying to do is say where, like the method above, the fruit name. So right, this expects a method, right? So if I hover over here, you can see it says extension, and that little purple box means method. I'll show you. So if I do string dot and then highlight this, you see this little box means methods. So what it's looking for here is a method in there. So we could write a method saying, well, we need to know kind of what it expects first. So we see it wants a result of bool, and it needs to take in fruit. So let's do that. Let's just comment this out so we can write our code, or right above it. Okay, var, no, we're doing a method, so we want to have a bool coming out. So bool, and we want to say where the fruit name contains apple. So we can say fruit name contains, and then take in the fruit, and then we're going to say return f dot fruit name contains apple, and we can then pass this into there, and we can get rid of this now, and we can get this print out and change this. So now what should happen is that the fruit method query, this is going to be a IEnumerable collection. So we're going to go through and find anything that contains apple. So it's the same as this line here. So let's have a little look at that. Okay, so we have, yep, apple has filtered out the pair, so we're all good on that one. Right, so the next thing would be to see if we could make this any shorter. So what we've got here is the fruit name contains fruit, f return. So we can change this into a lambda. So if we remove this, because it's a simple expression, we can just shorten it. It's only got one line of code afterwards, and you can see it works just the same. So that's all well good, but can we make it even shorter now? Well, yes, we can. We can actually put this inside there and have a look, run that, and yep, does the same thing, but it's one line of code. So that's pretty good. So as opposed to, well, we've got this arranged ordered by data expiry. So if I just remove that for now, what one line of code does here, you've got, yeah, fair enough, we can make this shorter. We can have this like that. There's still you know, still a bit shorter here. Yeah, so this is another way to write it. You can make up your own mind on which one you prefer. Yeah, we can also extend this if we like. We do want to include the order by days to expiry. So here we can do order by. So we would write. So let's use this lambda. F of fruit. Okay, what's the function we're writing here to execute? Okay, so we need to order by the date of expiry, so we can just write that, and let's see if that works. So 1012, yeah, that works. So if we do that test again here, let's see the difference. I mean, I think this is still shorter regardless, only by a bit. Yeah, it's up to you which one you like the most, but they achieve the same result in this example. I'm Charles Burt, and this video is brought to you by hireaunitydeveloper.com.